I get asked this question a lot. And sometimes it's funny because an investor of mine will actually call me and say, hey, what's this document that I got in the mail? So today I wanted to go over what is a Schedule K-1 or what is a K-1 document for the IRS. Now, a Schedule K-1 is basically a document that shows your net profits or losses in a partnership. And when you invest in real estate as part of a group or as part of a syndication, you must receive a Schedule K-1 based on the equity contribution that you had or based on the agreements that you had with the syndicator or with the lead on the deal, with the general partner. With that being said, let me just tell you guys, if you are involved in a partnership of any sort, whether it's in real estate or outside of a real estate in any business in the United States, you should expect a K-1 every year that you use in your taxes that needs to be filed so the IRS is aware that you are a partner in a public business. It is a public-private business. That means it's not listed on the NASDAQ or the stock exchange. However, this is still a public company where people came together and invested. And as long as there are less than 100 people in this business, you should expect a Schedule K-1 every year. I also get asked this question a lot, why am I receiving a Schedule K-1? Now, whether you are a general partner, that means you are managing the business, or you are just an equity or a limited partner, that means you just gave in money or you contributed a little bit of your expertise into a business, you should be receiving a Schedule K-1 every year showing net operating profits or losses in your business. So, who qualifies for a Schedule K-1? Now, this is very interesting because people invest personally. That means I could invest as being myself, Hamza Ali invested in a partnership, or I could invest as an LLC. XYZ LLC is investing in this new venture that somebody has started, right? So, Hamza Ali gets a K-1. The LLC also does qualify for a K-1. So, every partner, whether it is an entity or an individual, qualifies and should receive a Schedule K-1 of some sort. Foreign partnerships that also have income coming from the US will receive some form of a K-1 or a Schedule K-1. And this is because the IRS wants to generally know what type of income these foreign companies are making off their US-based investments. If you have received a K-1 and are part of a trust or are a beneficiary, please look into the IRS's website and see what the guidelines are, or consult with your CPA for more guidance. So to quickly recap what I just said, every partner, whether you're a general partner or a limited partner, should receive a Schedule K-1, and that Schedule K-1 has to be attached to your taxes that you do every year. We usually like to see in real estate investments, usually our K-1s are in a negative because we have a depreciation component built into them. A lot of investors often get worried and are like, why are our Schedule K-1s negative when we've been receiving distributions all this time? What is going on? So the reason that the K-1s usually will show a negative as opposed to a positive income is just because we have depreciation and other deductions factored into our K-1s. That's it for me, guys. I will see you guys next video.